Participants of the Taiwan and the CDF hands-on costume design workshop Mass Making from Vision to Costume began their lessons virtually on Monday, August 25, 2025. They continued with in-person segments from September 4th to September 16th, 2025. The instructors taught the designers how to use programmable lighting, atmospheric effects, mechanical movement, and responsive materials that interact with touch, sound, and light. The seminar concluded on a high note with a public exhibition on Wednesday, September 17, 2025, where participants showcased their finished pieces and shared their experiences virtually.
When I came and interacted with the individuals within the workshop, then I realized that this is a step in the right direction. We've not really done this before, and I'm grateful for it. And I'm hoping and praying that we do a lot more of this in the future.
The designers were encouraged to use the knowledge to advance their craft.
Because it goes beyond carnival costumes. There are lots of skills that you would have picked up, and there's a lot of stuff that you can do using the skills that you gained, whether it be for stagecraft, whether it be for parties, for weddings. You acquired skills that can be used, and they were diverse. So I say to you, keep going. The road has not ended for you. And to all of you, I say thank you for joining the workshop. Thank you for the success, because without you, this workshop would not have been a success.
Taiwanese master artist Chang, who is internationally renowned for her monumental lantern installations, facilitated the workshop. Her Excellency Nicole Su, Taiwan's ambassador to St. Lucia, praised the participants for incorporating unique aspects of St. Lucian culture into their designs.
It is truly amazing to see that you have brought to life the vibrant imagination into beautiful carnival costumes. You not only applied LED lighting and motor skills shared by our facilitator, Ms. Zhuang, but you also filled these creations with the artistry unique to St. Lucia. I saw banana leaves there. I saw the beer over there. I have to resist my temptation to put Taiwan beer rather than Pitong beer, but maybe both. And I saw hummingbirds there. I saw the beautiful ladies and queens with feathers and wings. It is as if the whole island is here with us tonight.
Tourism and Culture Minister Dr. Ernest Hilaire plans to reinforce skills through follow-up sessions.
We have a very clear idea in our head of the skill sets that we want to develop within that subsector, and to see how we can really get more St. Lucians involved and to see it as an opportunity for them to develop. And of course, your government and your technical cooperation agency both have been very, very supportive of our demands for such, and we're going to continue to look to you. And I will say publicly, when I visited 2 weeks ago, your foreign minister assured me that there will be continued support for St. Lucia in our request for those kinds of assistance. So thank you so very much for that.
The seminar Mass Making from Vision to Costume represented the third installment of the Spotlight Taiwan project. It aimed to teach about 20 designers new, dynamic, and innovative ways to build costumes. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.